Welcome back to SpiritLifter. Slowly but surely, we're making our way through the Balkans. This go-round takes us to Serbia to encounter a brand that's seen a thing or two in its history. Nestled near the Danube River on the border with neighboring Croatia, the Apatinska Brewery has been around since 1756. The operation has had to weather several storms, including an Ottoman occupation, 2 world wars, and nearly a century and a half of Yugoslav non-alignment during the Cold War. Despite all these, the brand survived, and since 2012, has been in the portfolio of North American multinational Molson Coors. Their most iconic brew is not just the most consumed brand in Serbia, but also widely distributed across the former Yugoslavia, and is even gaining a foothold in German-speaking markets. As you may surmise, the name Jelen means deer in Serbo-Croatian. This pasteurized pale lager measures in at 4.6% alcohol by volume, making it fairly light in both hue and strength. Yelen goes into the glass like most macro lagers, a bright and transparent gold. The scents are not the most inviting, even slightly harsh. The taste is thankfully cleaner, veering into being sterile without any distinction to separate it from most macros. Still, it'll do in a pinch. I've said before that pale lager ought to be like a Swiss Army knife in that it can fit any context, even with food. If you're hungry for something, pair it with whatever you fancy, from skewers to soup. Thank you kindly for watching. Next week has us visiting yet another place for the first time. And as a bonus, the brew comes in a comically oversized bottle. Until next week, na zdravlje.